Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to improve or reduce the video quality for Netflix. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. You can easily watch higher quality videos on Netflix if you make a quick change inside your settings menu. Sign into your Netflix account and go and click on your profile icon at the top right. Now, from the expanded menu, click on Account. From your account page, scroll all the way down to Profile and Parental Controls. Select your profile and from the expanded menu, click on Playback Settings. Inside the Playback Settings, under Data Users per Screen, you can select from Auto, Low, Medium, and High quality for your Netflix videos. If you want to improve your quality, then choose the High option from where you'll be able to stream the best videos in audio quality up to 3 GB per hour for HD and 7 GB per hour for Ultra HD. If you want to watch standard quality videos, then you can pick Medium. To reduce your Netflix quality, choose the Low option and you'll be able to stream basic videos and audio quality up to 0.3 GB per hour. I would recommend to use the High option for best video streaming and audio quality and click on Save. Once you do that, you'll be able to improve or reduce your Netflix video qualities and audio qualities. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.